So hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you're doing great. So right now I am going to try to make tea because as you have seen in the last vlog, if you have seen the last vlog, you'll get to know what happened. So again I'm trying to make it. There can be two reasons or many reasons. I added ginger into that, and the second reason can be I mixed two types of milk, cow milk and buffalo milk, both of them. I mixed both of them, and this can be the reason also. So we don't know. And one major reason can be, as you know, that we didn't have light, so that can be the reason of that. So yeah, the reason can be anything, but right now I'm going to try again. So let's go. Let's just hope that I can drink tea. Actually, I didn't drink tea, ginger tea, from last many days, and that's why I was just craving for ginger tea, and I added extra ginger into that. Tea, and then that whole thing happened. But yeah, today I am going to try to add ginger after boiling, so it will be easy. I have to clean this. I'll see you after cleaning this. Bye. And again, today I have nothing much to do, so I am going to do nothing. So I'm thinking that if I'll get free, then I will make something that I wanted to, like kind of video kind of thing. So I'm thinking for that, but like I need to do on that kind of time that nobody will come. If I, then what will happen, that if I'll get ready and then someone will come, and then I was like, I can't do anything. That's exactly what happened last time, that when I tried to make a video that I wanted to make, I got ready and then someone came up and then I had to remove everything, and then so yeah, this is what happened with me. So I am thinking of making that video on that kind of time when nobody will come, and if someone will come, then mummy will be there to attend them, and I can do what I want to do, or I can film the video that I want to. So yeah, right now I'm doing nothing. I'm doing my all-time favorite thing that you all know, but right now nobody's there. Also mommy is also not there, and that's why I need to sit here. So yeah, you know what, actually I'm in love with this weather. It's like cloudy and rainy weather, and yeah, it's giving me vibes of my childhood. So yes, this is kind of my favorite season, like monsoon. So yeah, I'm enjoying this beautiful cloudy rainy weather. So now I'm very happy and very excited with this beautiful weather. And one more thing I want to share is that I am going to do fabric paint finally after a not long time, but yeah, it's a long time. So finally I have something to do. So I'm happy with that. Otherwise I spent my full day laying down on bed and doing nothing. But now finally I have something to do, and I'm really excited for that also. So yes, let's go. So right now I'm going to do nothing, just chilling and feeling the old vibes. So hey guys, I am going to buy some snacks right now because my sister is very hungry and she can't read without eating something. So she was like, buy something for me. So I am going to buy something for her. So hey guys, it's 10:46 and that means 13th June in South Korea. So it is going to be 10 years of BTS's debut, and yes, it's very special day and I'm really happy and really excited for this day. So it's still 12th June in India, but it's 13th June in South Korea. So when I turned on the internet and then I got some notifications, so notifications, and then I realized that it is 13 Korea. So that means a very special day for all of us, to be a very special day for BTS and for armies too. So right now I have nothing to celebrate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make coffee. So yeah, I am going to make a strong coffee for me, do something on TV, and then I just edit my vlog. I'll need to do that also. So yeah, I'll do all of those things, and then I'll go to sleep. And tomorrow I am planning for do something. I'm not sure if I can or not, but yeah, I'm trying. So hopefully, let's just hope that I can do something, at least a little bit of thing. Yeah, that's what I just want to do. So I'm ending this vlog here and then I'll start a new vlog from here. So that was my day, a full rainy day. Hope you guys like it. If you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next vlog, means tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye. Here we go. Happy birthday to BTS.